Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that in the last 24 hours, we have seen a majority of the crypto market actually experiencing an outflow of cash. And this is very clear why it's happening. It is due to the fact that most of the whales are in a panic situation. Every single time Bitcoin tries to recover to get over the price of 100,000, it starts consolidating between 96, 97 or 98 and 99. And after that, there is a lot of outflow where people decide to just panic sell and then the market falls back down. Why is this happening? Well, there is a lot of panic. And the second thing, a lot of people are expecting some sort of reversal in a negative way from Bitcoin actually retesting close to 70,000. And there is a lot of veteran traders which are starting to predict this, which is causing the market to be in a little bit of a shamble. Also, if you pay attention to some whales of Dogecoin, you will realize that they are also in a little bit of uncertainty. $63 million worth of Doge sold, and then around the same price, pretty much the same amount of Dogecoin purchased back. 64% of the traders on Binance have an open Bitcoin feature trade betting on the price going up. XRP and Dogecoin insights into the market behavior. 6,000 Bitcoin is the national reserve for El Salvador right now, and the US government still doesn't want to buy more Bitcoin. There's a lot to cover today. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button for the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just update to algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. I just want to mention, I feel like a lot of people are mistaken what I'm saying, because I am looking in the comment section where some people are like, Sky, so believing you, should I just go ahead and purchase Bitcoin or Dogecoin? Just to tell you, I'm not a financial advisor. I always like to give my own opinion. At the end of the day, it's your decision and your call in terms of where you want to take your leverage trades or just a spot buy as well. It's really up to you. I'm just giving you my opinion so you guys have a better understanding on what direction or what kind of decision to make, but it's not financial advice. On the other end, right now, if we look at the way Bitcoin is performing, it's in a really important stage. If it's able to break below 94,000, there is a very high risk that it's actually going to go down to 88,000, and then we're going to probably experience a free fall. I'm very certain if you're a very new trader, you might not know what free fall means. Well, let me tell you, it's not something that you do want to experience. A free fall simply means we do not know where the next support is going to be, as there is going to be a lot of liquidations that will be happening in a very short period of time. If you want to see in a short time how that can happen, from 68,000 to 50,000, that was the previous one we experienced at the start of August. I still remember that day, and that is pretty much a huge dip, and that's about, you can say, 30% dip in a single day just from Bitcoin. Now, don't even get involved with how the altcoins reacted. And 30% dip from where we are right now could result in a lot of people losing a lot of money. I'm not going to get into the exact numbers, but just to give you perspective, a 30% decline could actually make us retest close to 80,000 or even 75,000 in a really short period of time. If we talk about Dogecoin is actually holding on to its price very well. But what is very important is we need to ensure that the price is able to stay over the price of 32 cents. I know 31.5 is now starting to look like a support, but still previously the way the market has reacted, 32 cents is actually the point which has acted as a strong support for Dogecoin. The open interest has just climbed from 1.6 billion to 1.7 billion, and the long to the short ratio is still in the favor of long traders, which is actually increasing to about 77% now. This trader that I have been paying attention to, you can see on the 21st of December, decided to sell about $68 million worth of Dogecoin at the price of 31.8. About 4 days ago, or you can say about just 2 days ago, they decided to purchase back $52 million worth of Dogecoin around the same price they sold. That should give you perspective how they're expecting the market to actually do better due to the fact that we're experiencing a consolidation phase. And there is, when I say this, there is a lot of traders which are expecting the Bitcoin price to climb as well. About 64% of the traders on, if you talk about Binance, are expecting the price to increase. And if you look at the Doge, I mean, you can see on Twitter, Doge is definitely trending XRP and Dogecoin, insights into the market behavior. Global liquidity drives the crypto price movement, impacting assets like XRP and Doge. The banana zone indicates liquidity phase that signal potential market surge. Ethereum's breakout is likely as altcoins outperform Bitcoin in a favorable cycle. Bitcoin, ever since climbing to 100,000, has definitely come to a standstill. It's not able to make a decision where it wants to go, while the altcoins are still performing at a pretty decent rate. And that's why right now the market is doing very well for Ethereum and all the other. El Salvador is still buying up as their total holding of Bitcoin has gone up to 6,000, while the US government not buying more Bitcoin for now. I just want to show you this whale, which that should give you perspective. This is the 32nd most Bitcoin holding wallet in the entire world, and you can see that every single day they're trying to make some sort of little transaction to be able to get to the next leg up. So don't get affected by traders like this. In which phase of the market do you think we are? Right now, retail says optimism is pretty much the market phase that a lot of people are expecting that we're in. Optimism is just before the market climbs to its all-time high. And if we go by this rule book, right now we're about 6 months away from all-time high from Bitcoin, and a 30 to 20% correction is the most bullish thing that could happen for Bitcoin at the moment. Here are Dogecoin bottom, pre-pump and pump years as weekly candles close. I mean, in 2017, 2021, the incoming 2025 have historically seen a massive bullish candle for Dogecoin, and over time they do not show any signs of slowing down as the market keeps climbing. Dogecoin price conservative target starts at about $2.35. Just hitting that conservative target can already make a lot of people extremely happy. In possible Dogecoin rally ahead, analysts target prices between $2.35 and $2.60. Bitwise files an ETF firms holding over 1,000 Bitcoin. The ETF will focus on firms with significant Bitcoin reserve, weighing holding by Bitcoin treasury value instead of the market capitalism. So this is an interesting way to try to get all the exchanges to work together. That's all I'm going to say. And Cambodia permits banks and PSPs to offer crypto services. This is huge because more banks getting involved with crypto, there's going to be more financial institutional cash that's actually going to flow through the crypto market. And I'm very certain that's going to be impacting the market in a positive way. And Blockchain Association files a lawsuit against IRS over the new DeFi regulations that we talked about earlier today. So obviously a lot of people were not very happy with the way everything acted. But right now the market is definitely in a little bit of shambles. As long as you're able to hold your profits, there is more to make. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you soon.